So I know some people that love to crack their back. They crack their back day and night, any chance they get, and apparently it feels amazing. As long as you don't feel pain after cracking or while cracking your back, it's generally considered safe. Why does the cracking occur? It's because there are little tiny amounts of air in the joints of your back that shift and move around when you move that joint in a sudden manner, like when you try to suddenly crack your back. The crack that you feel is that air moving around. Sometimes the crack can actually be ligaments or tendons that are sliding on a little bit of bone. And that also may feel like a crack or a whip feeling. Both are generally painless. I have to point out, if you find yourself cracking your back a ton just to make yourself feel better, and when you're not cracking it, you do have back discomfort or back pain, might be a good idea to come and see me. Reason is, it might be a different source of your back pain that we can help manage super effectively and in a precise, targeted manner so that you don't have to keep cracking your back just to feel a little bit of benefit.